Namaskar, my name is Sanjay Kumar. I am poet, story writer, novelist and painter. I want to present you my essay. Topic of my essay is End of Marxism. Economic, political and social problems are very complex. No single principle or idea can keep them bound within themselves for a long time. The Industrial Revolution in England gave birth to the capitalism. Later, capitalism turned in imperialism. Marx presented the explanation and solution to the defects of capitalism. Lenin presented the explanation and solution to the defects of imperialism. First revolution took place in Russia due to the influence of Marxism. The Russian Revolution had an impact on the whole world. Capitalism has changed itself a lot due to Russian Revolution. After some time, revolution took place in China also. Gradually, the defects of Marxism also started becoming visible. Whatever industry is government owned, he starts running at loss. Their corruption spread from top to the bottom. The government industry starts incurring so much losses that it becomes a burden for the government. Gradually, the losses of government industry increases so much that it destroys the economy of entire country. Same thing happened in Russia and modern China also led the path of Marx and adopted modern capitalism. Developed countries changed themselves a lot due to the influence of Marx. The condition of worker in developed country is very good, but the condition of workers in developing and backward country is very bad. India is also a very backward country. That is why were so many problems. Here that a mountain could be made from them. But after 2014, India's overall policy changed. India has destroyed many of its civils and have moved rapidly on the path of development. There are still many problems in India which has not been resolved. If Marx has not presented his idea to the world, the capitalism would have become the ultimate curse for the human society. When the revolution took place in Russia, the whole world was stunned. For the first time in the history, economic, social and political problems of a country and world were solved through a revolutionary book. For the first time, people were convinced that the economic, social and political system of a country and the entire world could be changed through a revolutionary book. And the revolutionary change can be made in the lives of people. When there was a revolution in Russia, the capitalist countries like Britain, Germany, France, Spain, America, Canada, Japan, etc. became very worried, and they tried to his best to destroy the revolution, but they could not destroy the revolution. In the end, they accepted defeat and they adopted Marx's idea to a great extent in their country too, and created a new kind of progressive idea in which there was a beautiful harmony of public welfare of Marxism and entrepreneurship of capitalism, which we now call mixed economy. The Industrial Revolution played a major role in the origin of the First World War, and the Industrial Revolution also played a major role in the origin of Second World War. Due to the Industrial Revolution, a large number of goods were produced. Then, due to overproduction, European countries established their colony in other countries to consume it. Within a few years, European countries enslaved Asia, Latin America and Africa, and then they exploited Asia, Latin America and Africa heavily and made these countries completely hollow. The people here became completely destroyed. England came to the forefront in the process of colonization, and other European countries were left far behind. In the process of snatching these colonies, an atmosphere of extreme hostility was created in the European countries. Then the atmosphere of Europe turned red with the cloud of war. After this, the world's most dreadful First World War took place. After that, even more terrible Second World War occurred. The worst destruction in history occurred in both these wars. Intelligent people all over the world get into a big dilemma. Some intelligent people try to understand the reason for these wars. In the end, they consider the exploiting tendency of the capitalism as the main reason behind these wars. They suggested changing the capitalist economy. After these two wars, world war, the economy of developed countries changed forever, and they adopted public welfare economy. They understood that capitalism, full of exploitation and injustice, would have to be changed according to a new ideology. The well-being of any country is hidden in this only. Marx changed the world economy forever. At present, the mixed economy is implemented in developed countries. At its core is the influence of Marx. All the wise people of the world have understood that no country can develop without adopting public welfare. There is no modern constitution in Arab countries, nor is there any democracy in there. That is why Arab countries are backward in every respect. There is very little scientific development and technological development there. Marx has very little influence in Arab country. Marxist ideology is banned in Arab country. The condition of women in Arab countries is very bad. But if not today, then tomorrow, the Arab countries will have to adopt modern democracy, and we will have to accept Marx's ideology of public welfare. Otherwise, their destruction is certain. Anyway, they have destroyed to great extent. It is also surprising that how due to development of technology, mankind got trapped it into two terrible wars. How did development of technology lead to the terrible destruction of the mankind? How did the development of technology give rise to highly exploitative economy? Marx has predicted the First World War. Marx has predicted the First World War even before his death. Marx has said the overproduction in the capitalist economy will happen, and there will be severe exploitation, due to which the social, economic or political crisis will deepen. In this way, this statement was the prediction of the First World War. No economic system can be free from defects. No political system is free from defects. India has been ruled by only one party for a long time. Therefore, very little development took place in India. Gradually, corruption and criminality spread everywhere in India, and India could not become a developed country. Many states of India became sick states, and India was surrounded by many problems. Bihar is one of the most backward states of India. Here democracy had become a joke, because this state is the most cursed state of India. There is a lot of criminal in the politics of the Bihar. Bihar administrative system, judicial system, police system, education system, political system and economic system are surrounded by ultimate corruption and ultimate criminalization. Freedom become just a joke. Highly corrupt leader like Lalu Prasad, Om Prakash Chautala, Madhu Koda, etc. become a curse for the democracy and society. Socialist country could not present any best model of development. There are many defects in the economy of developed country also. All the best economists consider mixed economy is the best economy. Some important subject should be government and all remaining area should be in private sector. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like my video and subscribe it.